Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reinforce walls in Rainbow Six Mobile. Now, reinforcing walls is one of the most important things you can do when playing as a defender. It helps block attackers from breaking through easily and forces them to use special gadgets instead of just walking in. At the start of the round, you'll be in the prep phase, and this is when you can reinforce walls. Just walk up to a soft wall and look for the reinforce prompt on your screen. Once you activate it, your operator will place a metal panel over the wall, turning it into a reinforced surface. Keep in mind that you only have a limited number of reinforcements, so you need to use them wisely. Focus on protecting key areas like bomb sites, main entry points, and walls that attackers usually breach. Also, try to work with your team. Don't reinforce everything randomly because some walls are better left open for rotations. A bad reinforcement can actually hurt your team if it blocks movement or lines of sight. And that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!